Good evening.
How's it going, sir?
I'm doing good. How's your name?
My name is Luka Nebojshevicic.
And you said you are in a rehab?
Yes, I'm a part of the John Volkan Academy, which is a 2-year therapeutic community, in other terms, a rehab.
Why did you start doing drugs?
I started experimenting with drugs when I was 15 years old, but very quickly, due to a few different factors, that sort of experimentation took off very rapidly. And, light use, social use progressed at the end of my late teens, when I was about 18 years old, when I was a senior in high school, to methamphetamine use.
Oh, what can you say about drugs to the young people?
Well, so one thing I will say is, and that I wish people told me, is that the experience of drugs when you start is not like how it is in the movies. Your life typically does not fall apart. Mm-hmm. You don't immediately feel the pressures and the threat of drugs, but I promise you that momentary fun that you're feeling, that goes away. Mm-hmm. And really your problems as a person, right? Like if you're using drugs, if you're using hard drugs, there's something wrong inside of you. There's like an emptiness inside that you're trying to fill, and although it might be fun at first, if you really don't treat that emptiness, that's something inside you that you're missing for whatever reason, then those problems don't go away, they just build up. And you don't realize it, but that problem just gets worse and worse and worse, and then a few years down the line, you're using hard drugs, and your life is just completely falling apart. Yeah.
You said you're from Arizona?
I am. I'm from Phoenix, Arizona.
So how long have you been in the treatment program?
I just got my 10-month mark, a couple weeks ago.
So what can you tell the young people? Don't ever start doing drugs. Don't try.
I will say abstinence is probably the best way possible. I think that, I would say I think that there's going to be certain people who are going to be more prone, right? I think there's a lot of people that we don't know that we have addictive tendencies. Mm-hmm. And then when we do drugs, it just takes off from there. So yeah, abstinence certainly is a good option for anyone, even if you don't have addictive tendencies. Why even do it, right? What is it doing for you? Yeah. You don't need drugs to be a good, fun person.
All right. Thank you so much. That's good advice to all of us and to the young people who you listen to what you are saying, and those who are thinking of starting, and those who are thinking it's fun. They know now it's not fun.
It doesn't complete you as a person. It doesn't make you better. Doesn't make you better of a person, and it's not going to lead to a successful life. Excuse me. Yeah. Work hard, listen to your parents, find God, whoever that may be.
Yeah. Thank you for your openness. I will be coming again and again. I'll visit you there, and I will invite you in my program to speak to the students.
My goodness. Thank you, sir. Thank you guys for coming in. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm Pastor Dorcas, and I watch Pacific Wave TV. May God bless them. May you be patronized by many people, because you are blessing the people all over the world. God bless you.
You are watching Pacific Waves Television, USA, a place of nourishment.